mga tinidor.
Jeremy sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on a new camera. We were frozen, old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again.
This is my wedding shoes. Yung kay Abby, ito naman. Yung kanyang wedding shoes. Aladdin style. We'll keep this together.
Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know what we would give up. A day for building forts and trees, sing a song to the buzzing bees, hop on our bikes, head down to the store.
Pang mga regalo si Mishka na sapatos na hindi pa kasya sa kanya ngayon. Hindi provided sa aming inuupahang bahay is yung water heater or yung geyser. So ito, umorder kami. Maliit lang to siya kasi if malilipat ulit kami sa Bangalore or saan mang metro city, usually yung mga bahay meron ng kasamang water heater. Pero dito, based sa experience namin pag sa mga ganito, rural areas, hindi provided talaga yung water heater. So, kailangan mong mag-provide ng sarili mong geyser or water heater. Tapos, pagdating namin, wala ding ceiling fan. Kailangan sana namin ng ceiling fan, hindi for our personal use, kundi sana sa pagpapatuyo ng damit sa kabilang kwarto. Sabi naman ng aming owner, ng aming landlord, magpo-provide daw sila. Pero hanggang ngayon, wala pang ceiling fan. So, maybe in the coming weeks, let's just hope. Kasi yung sa ibang mga floors, yung sa kabilang bahay, meron din silang ceiling fan na provided ng aming landlord. Medyo busy lang siguro siya kasi meron din siyang under construction na bahay sa kabila. So, siguro busy siya. Pero pumunta siya dito last time and yun nga sabi niya na mag-provide siya ng ceiling fan. But this one is for our water heater. For the last few weeks, nag-iinit-init lang kami ng tubig sa gas. Yung aming electric kettle, nasira din siya kasi parang 2 times ko siya inulit-ulit na nagpainit ako ng tubig kasi maliligo ako. Baka na-overheat siya. I'm not sure kung bakit. So, kailangan talaga namin ng geyser. Maliit lang siya kasi iniisip namin after dito, pag yun nga, babalik kami ng Bangalore or saan mang metro city, hindi naman namin siya magagamit. Tapos, if uwi din kami ng Patna, meron na kaming mga water heater doon or geyser. So, hindi siya namin kailangan talaga na dapat malaki. So, this is just a 3-liter na geyser. So, ito yung kanyang itsura from the brand Bajaj. Mamaya, darating yung mag-i-install. So, makakaligo na tayo ng walang hassle. Meron silang warranty. Ito yung itsura niya. Ngayon lang kami umorder kasi hinintay namin na mag-sale para makatipid tayo. Meron tayong savings. Dito na natin ilagay. Kasi mamaya darating din naman yung mag-i-install. Isa sa struggle dito sa pagtira sa Madikeri, guys. Because of the weather na maulan and moist palagi yung kapaligiran. Pinapatulog ko sana ito kaya lang si Api paparating. So yun, dahil sa weather dito, ang hirap mag-maintain ng mga furnitures, mga wooden, na mga utensils like this. Kasi nagkakaroon siya ng fungus. So lahat ng mga gamit namin sa kusina na mga wooden utensils, itatago ko siya, guys, kasi useless siya. Hindi siya maganda na basa palagi, tapos hindi siya nagda-dry completely. Kasagin natin ito.
Chelsea.
Pati yung aming upuan dito sa dining, itong aming dining set din, kasi wood siya. Kailangan mo siyang punasan talaga palagi kasi namuti-muti na siya. Parang doble yung paglilinis dito sa bahay. Tapos yung mga walls, kailangan mo din siyang punasan. Sabi nung kapitbahay ko, mayroon ako naging friend dito, guys, dyan sa baba. Sabi ko, paano nyo nami-maintain yung bahay nyo dito? Eh, palaging nagmo-moist yung walls, yung mga furnitures, nagkakaroon ng fungus, ganyan. Sabi niya, try ko na punas with vinegar. So, yun yung ginagamit niya daw. Like, vinegar yung nakakatulong siguro para ma-disinfect yung mga woods. Yun yung sabi niya. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Ang hirap-hirap. Parang hindi pa ako tapos talaga mag-arrange ng bahay. Tapos yung mga gamit mo, kailangan mo talaga siyang i-maintain. Diyan na si Api.
Baby milk is there, don't put me. Why don't put your milk here?
Marilyn, Marilyn. You were singing that? Marilyn, Marilyn, Marilyn. Mimi. Mga 2 days na siguro na maganda yung weather namin dito ngayon. Hindi umuulan. Daddy, your helmet. What happened? Daddy? It's bright. It's not sunny, but it's bright. It's not raining. Pero ang lamig.
Thank you, bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Wait for Daddy. Where's Daddy na?
Daddy's coming. Daddy's doing
Okay.
He's thirsty. Daddy's on my house.
Yes.
That's my house.
Daddy's there.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Here, go this side, other side, here. There, here only. Okay. Wait for Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Let's go. Come on.
I need my daddy.
It's okay. Daddy will come later.
No, I miss my daddy.
It's okay.
Basta ko, okay lang yan. Yung mga best friend na yan. Ako na lang kay best friend.
Abo?
Sa maging best friend kasi nanay kita. Sabi ko, sabi sa niya, masasama.
with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say.
Gising na siya. And simula nung umalis kami sa Bangalore, never pa niya itong naka-video chat si Klein. Tawagan natin kasi kanina, ka-video chat ko sila. So, wait lang. Every day, sasabihin niya na, I want to play Kuya. No one is answering.
Who's that?
But wait, who is that?
Kuya.
Wait.
Monkey said I follow.
Okay, wait lang.
Shuttles,
Knees and toes,
and
eyes and ears and
mountains, nose,
head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Hello? Girl, pakita. Girl, pakita mo. Hindi. Say hi. Girl, pakita mo si Klein. Kanina pa siya nagtatanong eh. Oh, who is that? That's Ate. That's...
This is Thanos. Hey.
Hi, Kuya.
Where is Thanos?
Can Kuya did not hear you.
Kuya is McDonald.
Yeah. Say hi, Kuya. Kuya, what are you doing?
It's McDonald. But what is that bedroom?
That's Ate Ananya's bedroom. Hi, Kuya. Hi, Ate Anya. Hi, Ate. Oh.
What is that toy?
Ask Kuya.
I don't know what is that toy.
What is that toy? A toy, Kuya?
Big toy?
Yes.
What is that phone? What? Kuya, it was funny. Now we're doing Kuda.
Kuya is very funny.
Yes, Kuya McDonald.
Kuya is McDonald. Show Kuya. Napakita din yung kanyang camera. Where's Kuya? Kuya.
Kuya! Kuya! Nah. Where's Kuya now? Yes.
Show Kuya also your bat there. Kuya is playing bat. Oh, like your ball and your bat. Andito na ngayon yung mag-i-install ng aming water heater. Turn on ko yung switch. So yan, makakaligo na kami ng walang problema. Where?
It's Elsa and Anna.
Oh yes, it's Elsa and Anna. Where's your baby?
They're hugging.
They are love. Yeah, because they are sisters, so they hug each other. Yeah, they are sister.
Sisters, what sisters?
Sister, like you and Naisha Didi, they are sister too.
Who's darling little arrow?
Let me try it. Let mommy have a bite, and then you take a bite. Cheers. Cheers. Yummy. Cheers. It's crunchy. You like it? Huh?
Baby don't need those. Baby's birthday party is their baby.
No, baby has birthday party. You can also have your birthday party.
No, not baby.
No, when baby turns 1 year old, then baby can have birthday party too.
No, why baby's nothing big though.
No, Mimi, birthday party is for everybody. You can have your birthday party. Mommy also can have birthday party. Daddy also can have birthday party.
No, it's not baby's birthday. It's not for the little one. It's for big children.
It's for big children only.
Yes.
Small baby can have birthday too.
Mama.
Sit down here. Love, love, you're wearing your slippers. It's very cold, bala. Wear your slippers. Dati, iniisip ko na pag naghuhugas ng pinggan tapos naka-gloves, parang ang arte-arte na. Yun pala, may mga reasons behind bakit yung iba nag-gloves while washing dishes, washing clothes. Ngayon, dahil sa weather dito, naunawaan ko na why. Bakit kailangan mag-gloves ng ibang tao. Hindi naman sa lahat. Kasi ako sanay ako na naghuhugas ng walang gloves. So sabi ko, arte-arte lang kapag nag-gloves. Yun pala, may times or mga instances sa buhay na mas maganda yung naka-gloves ka kapag naghuhugas ng pinggan, naglalaba. Gaya dito, ang lamig ng tubig. So mas protected yung kamay mo sa basa na pag palagi kang naghuhugas ng pinggan.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine.
alas 7 na. Maghahanda ako na para sa aming hapunan. Mag-chicken tayo tonight. Meron pa naman kaming natirang gulay. Naluto namin kaninang umaga. Pero hindi na siya sapat para sa aming tatlo. And para maiba na din yung ulam namin. What happened? It's broken. Use your other pencil. Where is your sharpener? You can use your sharpener. Throw that in the garbage bin, please. Okay, I will fix that. I will sharpen it. Okay? You have to put it back. Okay, try to put it back. Huh? Okay. Okay.
You know baby Audrey?
Yeah, you know him?
Yes.
Okay. Garlic. You don't want to play one?
Look at you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine.
Wow.
In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that, look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my voice, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that.
Timing.
Daddy, don't eat your lollipop.
Daddy, let's go. Let's eat.
Come, let's go eat.
Wash your hands there, Love Love, please. Love Love, wash your hands, Danay.
Look this one. Look this one. See this one. Look this one.
Okay, go, 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 go.
See this one.
Go, wash, wash.
And we can bubble. See this one.
Okay.
Come on now. Clean hands. Good job. Sit down. Smells good. Okay. Come on now. Don't incomplete. This is homework.
Circle the same sweets in each row. Like which? No, this one.
You have to circle the same candy. Circle. And where's the other one?
Yeah, very good.
Very good one, baby.
Mm.
Next one.
Yeah.
Where's the same? Slowly down. Very good.
No, not this one.
Candy.
Good job. What's that?
Lollipop, not do.
Yes. Very good. There's another one.
One more here. What is that bit?
This is incomplete. That is yesterday's homework.
Stick the vehicles on the road. Which is?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you have to draw vehicle.
Stick the vehicles. Paper.
Ah, okay.
Wait. Stick the vehicles on the road. 14. Taste, Mishka. Wait, let me help you.
Yeah, there's sticker galera.
Sticker book. That's so blanket.
Slowly.
Slowly, Daddy.
Just hold Daddy's hand.
Daddy.
Chalo, paste
Put it
here.
inside the road.
Daddy.
Hala, Daddy, you should. Why you center?
Where's Kupa's door?
Only one?
Only one is there. Done. Now your homework is complete.
No!
How many pages she is getting?
Daddy, so you will know ba? No, first page, you check first page. 2 pages. Pages 15 and 16.
Wait. Match the correct number with the smiley. Which is correct one? Number formation to the smiley.
Different, Daddy.
Correct the number. Match the correct number.
1 is there, love.
No,
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 not circle.
no
You
circle.
have to match like this.
Line you have to
From
make.
1, go to the other one.
Wait. Which is 1?
Teach her like the arrow.
You have to arrow, like line. Line you have to make. No, this is not correct.
1 going there. Make a line.
Line. Good.
And
2.
then-
3. Which is correct? 3. Correct one. Very good. High five.
Daddy, is that correct? What are you doing?
But the correct number.
Match the correct number formation to the smiley. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Robot. Bus.
Shit.
Ship. Motorbike. What is that?
Motorbike, very good. This is
Sailboat, like Grandpa Pig.
Otter.
This also, because this is 2 is also correct. This also you add.